messed up my intro, so let's get into it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, my returning subscribers, thank you for watching my videos. I appreciate the support. Give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts on today's video in the comment section. So in today's video, I will be blow drying my hair. I like to share with you guys how I blow dry my hair using a hand dryer. So in my previous videos, I have used, or other times that I have blow dried my hair, I used a brush with a dryer, like a 2-in-1 brush and dryer. So I basically just brush through, and as I brush through, the hair gets dried, it's stretched, and it's blown out that way. However, it doesn't give me the stretch that I'm looking for. And looking online, I did see that most people would use like the brush as against like a hand dryer to do so. So I'm gonna give it a try today. This will be my first time. My hair is super coarse and like stubborn, as you would say, so regardless of how I blow dry my hair, it looks straight, but once the heat leaves the hair, it just crunches back up again or curls back up again, or it's still going to look stretched, but it won't give you the silk press stretch look. It's just gonna look, it shrinks up a little bit. I think that's the best way to put it. It shrinks up a little bit. So let's see how well I do this time around. Oh, let's get the camera right. Okay, gotcha. All right, so I have my hand brush here. I did get this from the beauty supply store. I believe it's Sally's Beauty, I believe. Yeah, I got that from there. And then this blow dryer is a Revlon blow dryer. Mind you, this is not an ad or a promotion. I just got this from the store. So this one I will be using, and I will also be using a heat protectant, which is from Cantu. It's a Thermal Sheild heat protectant. So this apparently is supposed to prevent my hair from breaking or any heat damage and stuff like that. I've used it several times, and so far it's been good. Even when my hair was colored at some point in time, I colored my hair and I blow dried my hair several times, and I did not see any excessive breakages or anything. And then also I did not get any heat damage, so it works. And that's what I've been using so far. So let's get into today's video. Hopefully I do so well, because this is the first time, and I'm using a hand dryer and a brush like by myself, but I'm gonna go ahead and spray my entire hair with this. And mind you, my hair, I washed and I shampooed and conditioned my hair. That's gonna be in a video that you guys are probably gonna see first, where I share with you my wash day routine. I'm making sure it's drenched in it. We are not trying to get any heat damage today. Not today. I haven't added any product to my hair. I do plan on styling my hair after this, so I would add whatever I need to add. But and then plus, if there are products in your hair, you see a lot of smoke. I tend to see a lot of smoke in my hair. So, oh my God, I'm about to get a pimple on my nose here, and it looks massive. This is crazy. Yeah, that's just by the way, but but no, I don't have any products in my hair aside from the heat protectant spray thingy. So I did detangle my hair, but this is just to make sure we're good. All right, so I got my brush, I got my blow dryer. So like I said, my hair is stubborn, so I'm gonna put it on hot. The settings are hot or warm, and then there's high, off, and low. So I'm gonna put it on hot, and then also I would put it high just to see. So the process is very simple. Basically, as you brush your hair, you pass the blow dryer over it. A couple of passes here and there. I did several passes because my hair is kind of tough, but yeah, basically that's it. The shrinkage is real, so I'm gonna show you guys the back view on both sides, the blow dried state and the not blow dry state. Like, the shrinkage is real, guys. Look at this. See this versus that. This is crazy. So I just wanted to add that this is the reason why it's essential that your hair has been properly detangled, because you are going to be brushing your hair with a brush. So it's very, very essential to make sure that your hair is properly detangled. All knots are removed, so it's easier for you to pass the brush through your strands. Alright guys, so this is it. I blow dried my hair. My hair is growing. If you guys have seen my other videos in which I stretched my hair, you would see that I've gained a lot of length this time around. So yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video. Yeah, I love it. So this is it. This is it. I hope I did well with the blow dry. This is it. Feels like a cotton ball on my head right now, but I love it. I love it. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Oh, let's do that. Yes, so thank you so much for watching today's video. Leave a comment in the comment section. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts on how the hair looks after being stretched. Look at what I started with and look at what I ended with. So yeah, the shrinkage is real. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.